Hi everyone, it's Alana from Harbor House Seafood, and I'm going to teach you how to sear sea scallops. So we start with our dry sea scallop from Harbor House. These are caught in Georgia's Banks off of Massachusetts, and we're going to head to the stove and I'm going to show you how I sear them up. We have a cast iron skillet over high heat, and I'm going to add some oil to it, whatever high temperature oil you like. I'm going to use peanut oil or olive oil. And just enough to coat the bottom of your pan. Okay. And now just place them in there. And these are gonna sear for about 90 seconds a side. You can see how a little bit of a crust is starting, so I'm going to wait another 30 seconds before I flip. I like my scallops super seared, but if you like yours not done so much, then use medium heat. But these are dry scallops and there's a lot of sugars in them, and so they caramelize really nice. Now I'm gonna move the scallops to the back of the pan. And I have a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna throw this in there. And tilt my pan up, and I'm going to let that brown, and then I'm going to baste them. This is where I would add the garlic and thyme, but I ran out, so I'm just going to do brown butter tonight. And you can go ahead and turn the heat off now, because you don't want them to continue to cook. I just kind of swirl them around, and then I give them another flip. And there you have it. Seared scallops. Here's the finished product. Extra brown butter sauce I'm going to pour on top of the scallops. So there those are now. And then we have our rice, and then we'll pour some of that brown butter on top of the rice. Okay, here's the finished plate. Look at those scallops. That's a nice sear. I'm having mine with some fresh ground chili paste. It really helps cut the sweetness of the scallops. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below if you have any questions about cooking scallops or about handling scallops, just anything scallops. And then this here is the sea scallop shell, and that is a hole that we drilled. So you see how much bigger the meat, you can see where that circle is. That's your sea scallop. So sea scallop, bay scallop. Inshore, offshore.